A missing Fetch Rewards referral reward is usually caused by an eligibility requirement that hasn't been completed yet, not by the referral system failing completely. By the end of this, you'll know why referral rewards sometimes don't appear, how to check whether every requirement has been met, and what to do if the reward is still missing. Start by confirming that your friend actually used your referral code during account registration. Adding a referral code after creating an account may not qualify if the promotion requires it to be entered during sign-up. Next, make sure your friend completed every required step. A referral reward is often connected to more than just creating an account. If the promotion requires additional qualifying activity, the referral may remain incomplete until those conditions are satisfied. Review the referral terms inside the app instead of assuming the account sign-up alone is enough. Another thing to check is whether your friend was actually a new user. Referral programs are generally designed for first-time accounts. If someone previously registered or already had an account, the referral may not qualify. It's also worth checking whether both accounts meet the platform's eligibility requirements. If either account is under review or has a restriction, referral rewards may be delayed while the account status is verified. Now, check your referral history inside the app. If the referral appears but the reward hasn't been added yet, it may still be processing. If the referral doesn't appear at all, verify that the correct referral code was used during registration. If you're confident every requirement has been completed and the referral still hasn't been credited, gather your information before contacting support. Include your account email, your friend's account email if they're comfortable sharing it, the referral code that was used, and screenshots showing any completed requirements. Providing complete details helps the support team investigate more efficiently. Avoid asking your friend to create another account just to repeat the referral. Creating duplicate accounts can create additional account review issues and may prevent either account from qualifying. Instead, resolve the original referral through the official support process. To sum it up, confirm the referral code was entered during sign-up, verify every qualification requirement has been completed, check your referral history, and contact support with clear documentation if the reward still hasn't appeared. Next, save a screenshot whenever you share your referral code so you have a record if you ever need to verify the promotion later. If this guide helped, like the video, subscribe for more Fetch Rewards tips, and check out our other videos covering receipt scanning, missing points, and account troubleshooting.